First off, we will make this text to look like this. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn about creating this thumbnail text and designing everything about the thumbnail. With the help of tips and tricks that I'm gonna show you in this video, you can create multiple other designs that are stunning, beautiful. You can get more clicks and views if you create this kind of thumbnails. I'll be using Adobe Photoshop. You can also do the same things in 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂. That is a web-based software that works same like Adobe Photoshop. I will put the links in the description. So let's get started. First of all, open Adobe Photoshop and go to new file, and here you can choose 1920 by 1080 and create a new project. That's your background layer, and you can create a new layer here, and here you can choose solid color adjustment. Choose any color you like. Write the text. I'll be using phosphate font. You can use any font you like. Now you have three layers. One is the color adjustment layer, and then background and the text. Rest of the work I'll be doing on the existing thumbnail. If you don't have Adobe Photoshop, then you can just go to Chrome, and here you just type 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂, hit enter, and you can go to new project, double click, and it will work same like Adobe Photoshop, and you can do all the things that I'm gonna do in this tutorial. First off, we will make this text to look like this. So let's get started. I'll be showing you the values that I have put and all the settings. I will not be doing a lot of things here because you can easily get it whatever I'm doing. Whenever you are on the text layer, just double click here at the side near the effects, and you will be prompted to this layer. First thing is you need to add some bevel emboss, and here make sure the style is inner bevel, then smooth 460, then up 40, then 4, and then 90 degree, and this color scheme is F4 D537. Opacity 0, this is screen, then shadow mode is multiply, opacity is 2. Now if I turn off this one, it will look like that. Next thing you're gonna do is inner shadow, sure that it's on normal. Color code is FFFBD0. Once this color is selected, then go to 90 degree, then distance is 4, chop is 0, size is 0, and then this one is also 0. If I turn it off, you will see the glow upper corner. Once you're done here, then you need to add inner glow, and in the inner glow you make sure that blend mode is linear dodge, and then the color code is 412E0F. That's the color. Make sure that the opacity is 85%, then noise is 0, technique is softer, edge, then 0, then 90, and then this value range is 73. You are good to go. This will add these white parts. The next thing you're gonna do is gradient overlay. In the gradient overlay, you need to first of all select the blend mode as normal, then gradient. In the gradient, you can select different colors. The first color is location is 0, and the color code is EBB22A. That's the first code, and the second one is 56 location, and the color code is F8DA35. Third one is 100% location, color code is FF971D. After that, angle is 90 and style is linear. Then scale is 70%, method classic. You're good to go. Now if I turn off this one, you will see the reasonable change on my text. Alright, after that you need to go to outer glow. In outer glow, you need to first of all select the blend mode as linear dodge, add opacity 50%, noise 0, color code is D5951A. That is the color code. Technique is softer, then spread is 11, size 250, go 100 and 0. That's it. If I turn it off, you will see, look, it adds the glow behind this text. Next thing you're gonna do is add drop shadow, and in drop shadow make sure the color is black all the way down, and then opacity is 13, angle is 120, distance is 0, spread is 0, and size is 113, and then this noise is 0. If I turn it off, you can see the minor change. You just keep looking at the text. There is a minor change. Alright, next one, you need to add another shadow. This is a plus icon. You can add more shadows here. Other shadow is hexacode 3B120F. That is the code. Then angle is 90 and opacity is 100. Distance is 18 and spread is 100. Then size 14 and then noise. That's it. You are done here. Your text is designed. Now you can save it, this file. Whenever you want to replace, you can replace this one with any other text. In 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 as well, I can show you color fill. This is the color fill here. You can add text. Here's the text, and here if you double click this place, you will be guided to this place as well. These are the same options on Photopea. You can use them in Adobe Photoshop. This is just to teach you about this app as well, if you don't afford the Adobe Photoshop. Now we will be changing this text into this text. So let's get started. Write your text same like I did before, and then go to this layer, note down the values, because if I just apply all these values and readings and everything, then it will take a lot of time. So you just need to note down. First thing you're gonna do is inner shadow, make sure it's normal, the white color is selected, white color code is FF, and then opacity 100, angle is 90, then distance is 5, chalk is 0, size is 0, and then 0. You are done here. Now just go to inner shadow once again, plus another inner shadow, and go to this one. Once again it's white one, 100%, and here now you need to change the angle to -100, and then 600, and noise is 0. That's it. Next you're gonna do is to go to inner shadow. In inner shadow you also apply white color, and then go to 82% opacity, then angle is 163, distance 6, chalks 0, size 0, and then 0. You are done here. The next thing you're gonna do is go outer glow. In outer glow, make sure that you are on linear dodge, set the opacity 26, noise 0, softer 11, size 250, then range 100, and I don't know what is this word, 0. Once you add all these values, then go to drop shadow, and in the drop shadow make sure you select normal, and then opacity 80%, angle 90, distance 1, spread 100, size 4, and then noise 0. Alright, once you put all these values, then your text will look like this. So this is how the text is giving you a new look that is 3D and shadow. If you have a different background, I'm not choosing any kind of background, so if you have a different background it will look great. Let's test it on a black background. Here is a picture. I just drag it to show you how the text looks like. So here it is. Look, it's stunning, beautiful. It gives you more positive vibes. Alright, so we are on the final stage. Here we need to design this text into this text. Alright, write your text like this one, and then go click this place and follow the procedure. The procedure is guided here. So I'm gonna go to this place. First thing is bevel and emboss. In style, outer bevel, make sure that you are selecting outer one. Smooth, then 630, size is 40, soften is 5, angle 60, altitude 15, highlight mode screen, then opacity 50, shadow mode multiply, and make sure you are on the black color. Opacity is 15. Once you're done there, go to stroke and make sure that size is 25, then outer, then normal, then opacity is 75, file type gradient. Here you choose first color 0, location color white one, second one once again this one also white, and 49 or 50. Then go to the last color, choose the white one, and 100% location. Now press done button here, then go to style and choose linear, tick mark this one, go to -69 scale 1 to 3, method classic. Once you are done here, go to inner shadow and make sure that you are selecting this color code FF9393. After that, select opacity 100%, distance 5, chalk 0, size 0, and angle 90°. After that, you just need to go to inner shadow, choose normal, and here the hexa code 5C0909, angle -102, distance 21, chalk 0, size 0, and noise 0. Then you need to add satin. Go to this option multiply, choose the color black, angle 90, distance 47, size 0. After that, you need to add gradient overlay, and in the gradient overlay make sure blend mode is normal, first color is red, the code is EB2A2A. Then the central color is FF1E1E, and the location is 42. Then the third color is CD2020, the location is 100%. After that, make sure that you choose the linear style, 90 angle, and 70 scale. Method is classic. Once you're done there, go to drop shadow, blend mode multiply, angle 90, and opacity 100%, distance 0, spread 100, size 31, and this one 0. Then add another shadow and make sure that you are on this code 7 707070, opacity is 100%, angle 90, distance 31, spread 100, size 28, noise 0. Now if I deselect these one, you can see the reasonable change there. If I deselect any of these one, look how the text is changing. Now your final thumbnail will look like this. Alright, now it's time to teach you a little bit how to use this one. Let's say these are the different tags we designed in this thumbnail, and now we're gonna edit another thumbnail. Keep that file open and open another thumbnail like this one. And now I need to go to this place, Command C or Control C to copy, Command V to paste, and it will paste all the effects and everything. If you go there, you will see all the effects have been copied, and here you can change LUTs. That's very simple. Everything will be here like this one. Look at this result. Now you don't need to design text, just use it as a preset and you can design your future thumbnails like this one. If you want to bring the other text, that is same way. You can make it smaller like this. Look at this one. Alright, if you think that the distance is too small, then you can simply go to selected layer, go to properties. Here you can increase the distance like this one. Now you can see that the letters are having a reasonable distance between each of them. Alright, we are done here. If you didn't subscribe, then subscribe and watch my other video as well about thumbnails and Adobe Photoshop and video editing, a lot of stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.